Hi, I'm Alan Thomas. Today I'm going to make my second experiment of database lab. So my aim is to create a furniture company database. My schema is to create 5 tables: customer, the order line, product, supply, and these are the attributes that have to be mentioned. And these are all the data that have to be entered into those attributes. And so moving on to the question, the first question is insert the above values into the corresponding table. So for that, the syntax is insert into the table name, in the brackets mention the attributes, then values, mentioning all the values that have to be entered, and semicolon. So thus the row is created, thus all the values have to be entered like this using the syntax. And then moving on to the next question, update the postal code of Mary Smith to this value. So the syntax is update the table customer, set postal code is equal to 10032, where customer name is equal to Henry Smith. So thus the row is updated. You can view the record by select star from the table customer, and thus 10032 has been updated. So moving on to the next question, insert the record this values into order table. So for that, the syntax is insert into the table name order and mentioning all the attributes, then values, mentioning all the values that will be entered. Thus the row is created. So moving on to the next question, delete the record from order table where order ID is equal to 108. So for that, the syntax is delete from the table name order 1 where order ID is equal to 108. So one row has been deleted. So moving on to the next question, sort and display the details of supplier whose rating is greater than 4. So the syntax is select star from supplier where rating is greater than 4, order by rating. So this is the output. So moving on to the next question, sort the table order line in descending according to the ordered price. So for that, the syntax is select star from order line, the table name order line, order by price in descending order. So the output is as shown. So moving on to the next question, show the customer details who have ordered the table lamp. So for that, we have to refer the customer details and the product table. So there's no indirect, there's indirect link, there's no direct link. So for the table lamp, the table lamp is in the product description, which is in the product table. So product ID we have to match from order line table, and order ID is to match from order table, and in order table customer ID is matching, thus we get the customer details. So for that, the syntax is select c1 dot star, C actually I've given the alias for customer as C. So the syntax is select c1 dot star from customer C, order 1 dot o1, order line o2, product p1, where o1 dot order id is equal to o2 dot order id, and p1 dot product id is equal to o2 dot order id, and o1 dot customer id is equal to c dot customer id, and p1 dot product description is equal to table name. So thus the output is shown as follows. So moving on to the next question, the next question is how many customers have a name that ends with the letter A. So the syntax is select customer name from the table customer where customer name like modulo A. Modulo, it represents that any number of characters can be before A and it should end with the A. So actually no, in the mentioned customer table, no customer name ends with the A. So moving on to the next question, list the customers who have a letter Y in their name. So the syntax is select customer name from customer table by customer name like modulo Y modulo, and uh, the output is as shown. Moving on to the next question, show the customers whose name starts with letter J. So the syntax is select customer name from customer table where customer name like J modulo. This will show the output with the name which starts with letter J. So moving on to the next question, list the names of the customers whose ordered quantity is between 10 to 15. So The syntax is select c dot customer name from customer c order 1 dot o1 order line o2, where c dot customer id is equal to o1 dot order id customer id, and o1 dot order id is equal to o2 dot order id, and order quantity between 10 and 15. So the output will be as follows. This shows the order quantity which is between 10 and 15. So moving on to the next question, increase the quantity of suppliers by 2% for whoever rating is greater than 4. So for that the syntax is update the table supplier, set ordered quantity equal to ordered quantity plus ordered quantity into 0.02. This shows the 2% where rating is greater than 4. So the as shown is the output. Now moving on to the next question, uh, display the names of the customers find the number of orders placed on 10th October 2014. Sorry, my question is display the names of the customers in the alphabetical order. So the syntax is select customer name from customer table, order by customer name. So this will display in the alphabetical order. So next question, find the number of orders placed on 10th October 2014. So the syntax is select count will find out the number of orders. So count, or in bracket mention the attribute order id from the table order 1, where order date is equal to 10th October. So total 4 entries have been calculated. So moving on to the last question, show the order details, customer details for product ID 1000. So for that the syntax is select c dot star o1 dot star o2 dot star from customer c order 1 o1 order line o2, where c dot customer id is equal to o1 dot order id customer id, and o1 dot order id is equal to o2 dot order id, and o2 dot product id is equal to 1000. So this will display the following output. So and it has been completed. Thank you.